morning!
Morning. Morning.
Morning. It is actually morning this time. It's about 9. Oh, it's 9:12 in the morning. Craig has to go to work a little later, but since I'm off today, we decided we're gonna go out to breakfast and then go get some groceries, because since we've been back we haven't gotten any groceries or have any food in our kitchen really. So we're gonna go do that. Woo! It's also really gross outside today. It looks really dark and probably like it's gonna rain. So hopefully it doesn't, but we'll see.
Hooray! She doesn't love wet roads.
A sticky summer's day in Shepherdstown, and he go in a thermal as a circling round like a tire on a bike rolling down Columbus Street. But Katie got a little look of hope.
We just got eating.
We just got eating.
We just got eating. We just got done eating breakfast at this place called Stacks Pancake House. It's real good. And
It was tasty.
It was tasty. I got a waffle.
Yeah, oh, you want me to say what I got?
What'd you get?
I got pancakes and hash browns. And you got eggs too, because you ate my eggs.
I also got eggs. But yeah, so we went to Stacks. Out there.
Stooks.
It's also just really gross outside. And it's been storming.
Everyone's favorite weather.
Oh yeah.
Rain.
And now we're gonna go to Walmart to get groceries, and then he's gonna go to his internship.
I get to go to work.
Woo! Woo! And then I'm gonna go to Starbucks and edit, because we have a lot of footage to go through from our trip to Michigan. We're getting groceries. Getting groceries. Getting groceries. Getting groceries. Getting groceries.
Pancakes making bacon.
I'm gonna do a grocery haul when we get home. Well, when I get home. Yeah, I'm gonna do a grocery haul when we get home. When I get home. So I'm gonna get home earlier than you. Hey guys. So, I'm actually home right now. Well, I'm in my car, but I'm sitting in the driveway. And I don't want to get out because it's still storming like crazy. So yeah, I'm just kind of hanging out in the car until I can actually like walk inside without drowning. So yeah, I'm home and I'm changed. I'm wearing my favorite sweatshirt, super comfy, super soft, and yoga pants. Super plain black yoga pants. Woo! So yeah, I tried to go to Starbucks. It was like pouring rain when I got there. So I did one thing on my list, which was to call my work to see if I could change my availability for the last like month or so of summer. Which worked out fine. But after that, and because it was storming, and because Starbucks was, or at least it looked like super packed, I just wasn't feeling it. So yeah, I'm inside. I still need to get the groceries out of the car, which now that I think about it, I really shouldn't have gone into Starbucks anyways because we have milk in the backseat. I still need to go get those, but it's still storming outside, so I'm not sure when I'm gonna get those. But I am still gonna do a grocery haul once I do get them inside. now that that's done, I'm gonna find some good lighting. Alright, let's do a haul. 1 12-pack of Diet Right, 1 12-pack of Lipton Diet Iced Tea Peach. 3 different kinds of milk. Got 2% vanilla almond milk, dark chocolate almond milk. We got Minute Maid fruit punch. Of course, a 5-pack of mac and cheese. I got some Great Value Vanilla Almond Awake cereal. Fiesta Blend shredded cheese. Colby Jack and Monterey Jack cheese blend. A block for cheese and crackers. Right, and then I got the 2 vegetarian options for the Campbell's Well Yes soup. I technically got 4. I got 2 of each kind. But this one is Italian vegetables with farro soup. And this one is sweet potato corn chowder. And all the other ones that say, or that seem like they're vegetarian, they're not, because they have chicken stock in them. So that's why I can only get these 2. And finally, I got 3 different organic Great Value soups. This one is black bean and vegetable. We've got vegetarian chili and lentil soup. Woo! Now I just have to put everything where it goes. Okay, I put everything up. I need to kind of clean the kitchen a little bit. I also need to clean out the fridge because there's not much more room in it, and it's just, there's stuff in it that doesn't need to be in it anymore. But look at how bad it is raining right now. Like, you can see it through the curtains. I mean, they're sheer, but like, still, look at this. That's insane. We have a river. Yeah, I'm glad I stayed home, or decided to come home, because I wouldn't have wanted to get stuck somewhere other than home while this is happening. Like, look, oh my god. You can't see it, but you can barely see out my window because of how much, like, smoke is on the, not smoke, but you know what I mean. Okay, so I wasn't gonna film this, but I figured if, holy crap! That thunder was so loud! Okay, that kind of freaked me out. But yeah, I wasn't gonna film this. But I figured if we, for some reason, don't have too much else to film today, I figured I might as well just film it, and then if we don't want to use it, we don't have to use it, but I don't want to be home alone anymore. I want Crag. Okay, I'm gonna clean the kitchen and hope that I don't die. I'm back on the floor in the living room. I have crossed off 2 things on my list so far. I mean, it is only like, where's my phone? I don't know, I'll find it. It's probably like 12:30 or 1, I think. But today is just not going well. It's still storming like crazy. It's been storming since like we got up this morning. There's a leak in our ceiling. Right there. So I've got a bucket there, and I had to move the couch because it was hitting the arm. So I figured since Crag did a little like intro to himself, I would also kind of do one. Like he said, we're both 21. My birthday's in January. His is in February, so he's 2 weeks younger than me. I was born in Indiana. I have lived in Indiana my whole life. I grew up in the same school system from kindergarten to when I graduated high school. And we both go to DePop, which is about half an hour from where I grew up. My parents got divorced the year before I left for college. So they live in different places, but they're still in Indiana, still pretty close. I have a older half-brother who is, let's see, 41, who lives in Tennessee. My dad is originally from Tennessee. I have 4 best friends from high school that are like my all-time most favorite people of my entire life. I've shown pictures of them kind of around the house before, I believe. But yeah, we were all like inseparable during high school, and I love them. And you'll probably meet them at some point. Then obviously I have my college friends, and they're all perfect as well. So I graduated high school, went to DePop University, obviously, and I met Crag within like the first 2 or 3 months of being there. And then I am a English writing and film studies double major. I was originally just English writing, but then I really started getting into like screenwriting, and I thought I might like production, but after going through some of it, I'm not sure if I'm going to like it anymore, but I'm still super into screenwriting. Like, I want to be a screenwriter. I have a bunch of ideas already, but we're gonna graduate this coming year. We have no idea what we're gonna do afterwards. I don't know. That's it, I guess. If you want to comment and ask and like leave questions and stuff for either Craig or I, we will gladly answer 99% of them. Obviously there are some questions we won't answer, but I did chores. I started laundry. I took out the trash. I unpacked my suitcase from Michigan, even though we have to pack up again for this weekend because we're going, we're cat sitting for my mom, so we're staying at her house for 4 days, I think. So now I am drinking some hot chocolate with almond milk. I put on 27 dresses, and I am about to edit. I'm not sure how long I'm going to edit, but I don't know. I'm feeling really lazy today, so it'll probably be a while, because I can just kind of sit here and do it instead of getting up and doing other productive things.
Summer's day in Shepherdstown, and Eagle in a thermal is a circling round like a tire on a bike rolling down Columbus Street. But Katie got opened her eyes and her arms unfolded, and she looked to the skies and said, I'm gonna learn to fly around with you, yeah. She jumped up high and she fell to the ground and skinned her little knee and made a horrible sound. She got right up and she tried it again, and smiling all the way with her unstoppable grin. Take time, do what you're gonna do, and just smile, you're gonna see it through. Your wings are gonna sprout and lift you off the ground. No, no, take time, do what you're gonna do, just smile, you're gonna see it through. Your wings are gonna
Hi!
Hello. I'm here now.
He's here now.
You want me to talk?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I'm tired.
So
I'm tired.
I got home and I assume, did you talk about not going to
Yeah.
places? Okay. So since Kelsey didn't go to Starbucks earlier today, we decided to go down to Greencastle and go to the Starbucks here and upload one, maybe more videos. Probably get something to drink and watch some movie or TV on my laptop, her laptop, something. I don't know. We're gonna hang out and waste time because we don't have internet at our house, which makes it less fun.
Look at how much tanner my arm is to my face. Also, my arm looks really yellow.
Maybe your arm's just yellow.
Why does it look yellow?
I don't know.
Maybe it's my sweater. But my sweater's like bouncing off my arm.
It's your sweater's just bouncing off your arm.
It's a funny picture.
That is a funny picture.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Mhm.
Alright, let's do this first.
Okay.
Already made the Oh, you're already recording.
One 12-pack of Diet Iced Tea Peach. Lipton. Sure. I'm gonna do that one again.